triangleanchor.com. We're here at Spanky's RV and Marine in Parker, Arizona. So this is the display here at Spanky's. They have all kinds of stuff here. Anyway, this is the new triangle anchor. And you can see it folds down into this small little compact size. And it's in comes in several different colors.
What are the top benefits of the triangle anchor?
Well, let me show you. So it comes in 4 different colors, bags, matching ropes, all made in the United States. Triangle anchor has several benefits. One of it is its compact folding design, about half the size of others. It also has where the rod is locked into place. But the best benefit about it is you just throw it in the water like this. As soon as it goes into the water and locks onto the bottom, the anchor sets up. Did you see how easy that was?
Yes.
There's no locking pins or springs or anything like that to deal with. It folds up very simple and collapses very simple. Once again, just if you want to pull on it and throw it in the water, you can do that. Or like I say, you can just take it right out of the bag like this and throw it out.
Looks
Very
good.
simple to use. The other thing that's nice about this is it has a very smooth bottom, so there's none of these pointed claws going towards your boat. So you can see it kind of protects your boat that way. Very simple and easy to use. Thanks for watching the video.
So where can I get these anchors?
So these anchors are available in Parker, Arizona at Spanky's RV and Marine, or you can also purchase them online at triangleanchor.com.